We have 5 Weco batteries, lithium ion batteries. Each is 5.3 kilowatt hour. So we're having 5 of them. So viewers, we are having the first battery as the master, and it is controlling the other 4. So this is a battery that is communicating to our master inverter, which is this one here. This is our master inverter that is communicating to the master battery, and the master battery is communicating to the rest of the batteries. The master inverter is communicating to the rest of the inverter. So we have slave 1 inverter and slave 2 inverter, then we have the master. So with the batteries, we are having master battery, slave 1, slave 2, slave 3, and slave 4. So this is a configuration that we've done. Remember, I'd say that we have 24 solar panels from the roof. So 8 solar panels are going here, 8 are going here, 8 are going here, and through the use of the master, the algorithm is such that they cannot overcharge these batteries. So they work in tandem with each other to make sure that this battery bank is fully charged, and it is also charged properly. So this is the main battery fuse for the entire battery bank. Viewers, again, we also have a remote monitoring kit for the batteries, this one here, and we also have a remote monitoring kit for the inverters, this one here. All of them are Wi-Fi enabled, meaning that the owner, the client, and also the engineers are able to monitor this system from anywhere in the world. Viewers, like I said earlier, you are able to monitor this system, and this is what you are able to see on your screen when you log into the system. So I'm using this laptop to show you what is happening. So we're logging in the master battery and see what is happening. So the master battery is giving us the following. So we are having the first. So we are having the master battery. As you can see, it's written there, master. So it is at 80% state of charge, 81.2% state of charge. Then we go to the slave 1. Slave 1, the state of charge is 79.6. Then we have slave 2. The state of charge is 78.4. Then we have slave 3. The state of charge is 78%. Then slave 4. The state of charge is 79.2. So viewers, this is the dashboard that you'll be seeing when you log into your system from anywhere in the world, because we are having this system having a remote monitor. So as you can see, this is a master battery. We have slave 1, slave 2, slave 3, and slave 4.